Welcome again to another time-sticking YouTube video. Today we're going to be discussing the overall accuracy of Citizen watches and be looking at their most accurate timepieces on the market today. So stick with us through this intro and we're going to have a look at this brand. At the beginning of 2019, Citizen announced a wristwatch that's meant to be the most accurate, autonomously powered wristwatch ever made. This timepiece is reportedly going to be accurate down to the second on a yearly basis. This is pretty incredible considering the average quartz wristwatch loses or gains about 15 seconds a month. It's a pretty hefty order to fill this kind of claim, but it's not surprising that Citizen is crushing this challenge. With watches such as the Chrono and Atomic Skyhawk in their roster, they've come pretty close to the feat with previous releases. In fact, coming in at plus or minus 5 seconds a year, their Chrono is currently the most accurate watch available on the market. To answer the above question briefly then, Citizen is superlatively accurate in timekeeping. Citizen's resources and global reach have put some quality R&D into keeping their watches dialed in exceptionally. That being said, it's usually specific watch movements that have this level of accuracy. Everyday Citizen watches should be looked at for their specifications if you want to get a good idea of what's in store, in terms of long-term accuracy, on a watch-by-watch basis. However, if you pick up an A660 movement Chrono or are ready for the upcoming Calibre 100, you'll be wearing prime quartz accuracy on your wrist. That's right, Citizen has released what is considered the most accurate wristwatch for sale on the market, and their upcoming release of their Calibre 100 is actually going to knock that one out of the park. Until the Baselworld announcement of the Calibre 100, Citizen's and the world's golden child of accuracy was the Chrono. This is because of their A660 movement. This movement includes a perpetual calendar that needs no resetting until the year 2100. Unlike its nearest competitor, the Grand Seiko, which also comes in at plus or minus 5 seconds a year, the Chrono runs itself on solar-driven eco-drive tech. If you took one look at the Chrono it would look like just any other ordinary Citizen out on the watch market. However, aside from its eco-drive capability and perpetual calendar, it utilizes thermocompensation to account for temperature shifts in the movement. This is also how Seiko ended up becoming competitive with these guys some years after the Chrono came out. The compensation for temperature keeps the oscillations of the quartz movement from deviating or becoming irregular. Without a doubt, Citizen revolutionized the quartz watch world with their Chrono and have outdone themselves again with their upcoming Calibre 100. Citizen's 100-year anniversary just ticked past the dial in 2018, thus giving the Calibre 100 its name. The first iteration of the 100 movement came in a pocket watch form in 2018, but did not have any commercial release. Turning heads at Baselworld here in 2019, they announced a wristwatch version of this piece to be released later in the year. It's exciting to know that a wristwatch with such high accuracy is about to go out for sale, albeit with a bit of a hefty price tag due to limited release. As it goes, there will be 3 models of the wristwatch as follows: the white gold AQ6010-06A, the Super Titanium model AQ6021-51E with a black dial, and another Super Titanium AQ6020-53X with a mother of pearl dial. Each piece will range from around $16,000 down to approximately $7,000. However, after this limited release, it will likely get a more marketable en masse treatment, or at least all of us here at Timesticking are hoping. In terms of accuracy, the Calibre 100 is based on a lot of the same principles as the Citizen Chrono. It utilizes thermocompensation to help regulate the quartz oscillations. However, instead of using a traditional tuning fork shaped cut on the crystal, Citizen has created an AT cut crystal, which vibrates at a frequency 250 times higher than a tuning fork quartz crystal. The precise piezoelectric oscillations of quartz crystals are what make them more or less accurate, on top of their ability to mitigate heat. So basically, this new AT cut crystal, on top of Citizen's thermocompensation, is what makes the piece so accurate. Plus or minus 1 second a year is pretty astounding, to say the least. It has made the Calibre 100 the most accurate, autonomously powered watch in existence. Another unique feature to these upcoming Calibre 100 watches is their second-hand design. Each one requires a high torque movement because they made the second hand with brass. It's not a recommended choice due to the weight of brass on a watch movement, But Citizen wanted to show off their design prowess with this feature. The second hand arcs with the dial, creating a parabolic relationship between hand and dial that has never been achieved by any other watch design team. This detail really shows how much quality engineering goes into Japanese quartz, signifying, more specifically, Citizen's power in the world of watchmaking. Speaking Citizen's name can encompass luxury high-end watchmaking as well as mass appeal, which is very difficult to pull off in a world full of competition in all arenas. As an honorable mention, atomic time should be mentioned here, especially considering that Citizen and other brands utilize it and it has accuracy all in of itself. The most accurate of atomic timepieces can also hold down plus or minus 1 second per year. Despite this, their accuracy can dip if they do not receive their radio signal from lab-built atomic clocks. Watches like the Calibre 0100 and Chrono, among other non-atomics, stand out because of this reality. With the release of the Calibre 0100 especially, Citizen has shown the world that precision engineering can go beyond leaning on atomic time. As well, the self-powering of their eco-drive pieces makes them a top contender when it comes to the quartz market generally. Though there are plenty of solar-powered quartz watches for sale, Citizen still stands on top. After they finally release their Calibre 0100 to the market, it'll be interesting to see what other innovations and accuracy Citizen brings to the table in the future. Hello, and thanks for watching our YouTube video today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and you can find similar videos right here. For more new and interesting content from time sticking on our channel, please subscribe at the link here. And for more information about wristwatch repair and watch maintenance generally, you can find us at timesticking.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.